We represent Fort Erie Healthcare SOS, and today is the 93rd birthday of Douglas Memorial Hospital. So we thought we would pay back to the community that was available to come out and with a slice of cake and maybe a bottle of water or a juice box, just to celebrate the fact that the hospital has been around for so many years, and it has done an enormous good to the people in Fort Erie, Ridgeway, Crystal Beach, and the surrounding areas. Just been that benefit, and we can't afford to lose that benefit. The town, Fort Erie, has been gracious in helping us move forward. They have agreed. They put a resolution forward to speak with the region, to speak with Niagara Health, to keep the hospital open. You know, when the town hall or when the Minister of Health looks at our small group, they say, well, you know, it's really not important. But our small group represents almost 1/3 of the population. So I think that's important to note.
This hospital is a legacy of William Douglas, a family physician who practiced medicine in Fort Erie and Bridie Township in the late 19th century, right into the 20th century. And he died in 1929 and left $600,000 as a legacy for the construction of a hospital to serve the people of this area. So it's been huge. And from 1931 until 2008, it was our hospital. It served the people's needs in a variety of ways, from emergency care, acute care, surgeries, you name it, diagnostics, lab work. It was all done here. And so it's well known and probably the most famous institution in Fort Erie. And people look to it for what it is, which is a healthcare facility. So after the decision was made by Niagara Health to reduce drastically the services provided here, downgrade emergency services to urgent care, that was a significant blow to the community in terms of our needs and what the institution has meant to us and to the physicians and the nurses and the support staff who have worked there for some of them decades.
I came here today to brag about my father, who was the first baby born in Douglas Memorial Hospital on July 9th, 1931. He lived in Fort Erie all his life. When he passed away in 2008, we included a little clip saying that his claim to fame was being the first baby born in Douglas Memorial Hospital. I think they were originally, I wasn't around then, but they were originally going to call him Donald after his father, but because he was delivered by Dr. Douglas, they named him Douglas Donald Fraser. And I remember hearing about a Dr. Streets that worked at the hospital at that time.
But today, as we celebrate, they're going to have a cake. The reality is that we need 24/7 care right here in Fort Erie. And the reason why I say that, a lot of people don't realize, in Fort Erie, we are growing. We're going to have over 40,000 residents live here very quickly. Also, we have 28% of all the residents here are seniors. And we have no public transit to go down that highway. So there's a lot of seniors in this community that don't have the money to pay for an Uber or to pay for a cab, no public transit. So we need to make sure this is open 24/7.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Douglas Memorial. Happy birthday to